This winter, some of Britain's biggest storms took place out on the North Sea. One 12-man crew had front row seats.
I'm Chief Officer on board an ERRV, which is an emergency response and rescue vessel. We work in the North Sea for a month at a time, non-stop, supporting the oil platforms. If there's a platform evacuation or if somebody falls off a platform, we're there to rescue them. No matter how bad this weather gets, that's our location. We're staying there to rescue people. Just nobody's ever heard of us. Wind speed from every different direction, so there's no comfortable direction to dodge in. So trying to stay near the platform is a bit of a bugger. Winters are getting worse. Used to be a bit of fun out in the winter, and the storms and the hurricanes. Now they're getting a bit serious. Part of the preparation for bad weather, shutting down all the vents and flaps. Normally have them open for ventilation, but we start taking heavy seas, it comes down through the vents and into the accommodation.
Waves over 14 metres in height are classified by scientists as phenomenal.
There are warnings of gales in Viking, north of Sierra, Forties, Cromarty, Fitzroy.
The most extreme winds, those that reach hurricane level, are known as Force 12. This season, Graham and his crew experience both.
We were expecting about a Force 8. We ended up getting a Force 12 plus. I'm driving the boat 4 hours on, 8 hours off, so 8 hours a day. In normal conditions, that's not a problem, but when it's bad and you're hand steering, it's exhausting. The waves are about 20 metres, but it's OK. It's when they're breaking. You see a white line in the distance, and that's the wave breaking, and they get closer and closer and closer. And it's just that feeling of shit. When you know that wave is going to hit you, reduce the speed back to 0 to reduce the impact. And then, of course, the wave comes over the top of you. You're down into the trough. And then to get up the next wave, give it a maximum speed so you don't slam into the one next to it and smash your windows. And that lasted 2 or 3 days, the Force 12 part of it. You just got to stick it out. You may want to go home. You're not going home. You're staying with the boat on location until the contract's over. So don't even bother saying you want to go home, because it ain't going to bloody happen. Just a normal day in the North Sea.